Welcome to Xavier College of Hotel Management.
Let me tell you about the various types of wines available. Generally, wines are of various types, but the broad category of wines are generally of four types, and they are table wines, fortified wines, sparkling and aromatized wines. These are the major four categories of wines. This is how the wine is classified. The first one is the table wine. Table wines are also known as natural or still wines. They are also referred as natural still wines. So what do we generally mean by table wines? Table wines are those wines which are generally drunk along with the meal. The examples of such wines are red wine, rose wines, and white wines. These are the three type of table wines are available. These table wines are generally drunk along with the meal, and they have a alcoholic content of 10 to 12%. These wine bottles, these table wine bottles, they have alcoholic strength of 10 to 12%, and they are consumed along with the meal. Such as the white wines are always consumed with the white meats such as your fish or chicken or any other poultry. Then the red wines, they are consumed with various type of red meats, such as it can be a lamb, it can be a beef, it can be a pork, etc. So these are the table wines. The next type of wine is fortified wines. Remember, fortified wines are those wines whose alcoholic strength are increased by the addition of extra alcohol, especially brandy. During the fermentation, we get an alcoholic strength of 10 to 12%. But we need to halt the fermentation and we need to increase the alcoholic strength. During fermentation, extra alcohol is added and fortified wine is obtained. These fortified wines have an alcoholic strength of 18 to 22% because extra alcohol is added and the alcoholic strength is fortified. And there are a lot of varieties of fortified wines are there, and these fortified wines, remember these wines, any wine, they come in two tastes. If they taste sweet, they are sweet wines. If they do not taste sweet, they are referred as dry wines. So every wine comes in two tastes. Sugar content is there, then it is sweet wine. If there is no sugar content or lesser sugar content, then they are dry wines. So in that case, fortified wines have also dry wines, they have also sweet wines. Remember, these wines are generally served as aperitifs. Aperitifs are those alcoholic beverages which are consumed before the meal or along with the appetizers or starters. So generally the dry fortified wines are consumed along with the aperitifs or appetizers, as an aperitif along with the appetizers or with the soups. Examples of such fortified wines, the most famous one is your sherry. Then we have port wine, we have Madeira, we have Malaga, and we have Marsala, Marsala, Marsala. We have Malaga, we have Madeira, Sherry, and Port. Remember, Sherry is the most famous type of fortified wine. This is another type of wine. After fortified wine, sparkling wine is another category of wine. Sparkling wines are those wines into which CO2 gas or carbon dioxide gas is injected, and they are sparkling in nature. How they are manufactured, we will study in detail in next class. Just let me inform you, sparkling wines are always injected with CO2 gas, and they are sparkling in nature. Sparkling wines are never matured, they are rather matured inside the bottle, and they are double fermented. How they are done, we will study in detail in another special class about the sparkling wine. The examples of such sparkling wines are the most famous one is the Champagne. Apart from that, we have Hock, and we have Moselle, we have sparkling Chianti. So these are the various type of sparkling wines. If you pour these wines into a glass, you can see the bubbles are coming out. Why? Because there is a lot of pressure has been injected of CO2 gas, that is carbon dioxide gas. These are the sparkling wines. The last type of wine is aromatized wine. The last variety of wine is aromatized wine. Aromatized wines are made using the fortified wines as a base and lot of aromatic herbs or spices. It can be fruit, it can be stems, it can be anything. They are added, and the wine is aromatized. The aromats are added to the wine, and they are consumed. Aromatized wines can also be consumed along with the appetizers as an aperitifs, and sometimes it can also be served as an digestive. That means after the meal. And a lot of aromatized wines are also used as flavoring agents in lot of cocktails. Examples of such wines: there is Lillet, there is Vermouth, there is Campari, etc. When we will study in detail, we will know about all these wine. Just I am giving you a slight introduction about the classification of various types of wine. Generally, they are of 4 types: table wine, fortified wine, sparkling wines, and aromatized wines. And as of today, if you have any doubts, please put your doubts on the comment section, or again send us a mail or call us in our college number and get your doubts cleared. Have a great day, guys.